Hey guys, how's it going this evening? Alright, here's the first update of the last video about the upcoming projects. I got 25 of the daffodils bulbs in this bed here, and I'll show you. See those little markers? There's 4 of them there. There's one back there. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right there. So also that Mr. Goodbud sedum is looking nice, huh? As is the silver lining. Gems are still blooming. Got some weeds I gotta pull out of this bed again. Weeding. Elderberry is still blooming. Birds have been picking the berries off. There's a few green ones on there. Another big white bloom on the elderberry. Here's, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 13, 14, 15. There's another one right there. I don't know if you can see that white tag. But that's where I put the 25 Dutch Master Daffodils. I put them in this bed among all these perennials and this elderberry. Which that elderberry, and I just noticed something. Looks like we had some deer activity last night on the elderberry on this one branch here. Last night or today, they've been nibbling, so it's time to do some spraying. Oh dear, only got this one a little bit too, looks like. Right there, I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, so I put those Dutch Master Daffodils in this bed with all these perennials, the elderberry, and the dahlias. The dahlias, I'm going to do the same thing as I did last year. I'm not going to lift them. I'm going to leave them in the ground over winter. We'll see what happens. As you can see, this one is called Crazy Love, I believe. Looking very nice, and look at all the buds on it. It's still going. All right, so I put those 25 Dutch Master Daffodils in there. The purple fountain grass is looking good in the pots there too, along with the bubblegum supertunias. Put those in there, and then I'm going to transplant that bugbane. I don't know if you noticed it wasn't over there, but I'm going to transplant it over here, as I was telling you in that video. And I've got the hole dug. I've got the plant over there, and there's my knee pad. So we'll get it up in here. I've already got the hole dug up here. Already got the biotone starter fertilizer up in there. Can you see it there? There's the bugbane plant. So let's get that in, and that'll be it for this video. And I just realized something. Man, I'm just breaking these off. All right, good Lord. Just broke some more, I heard. Big spider right there. So let's get this in the ground. Get out of here and leave everybody alone. Get my gloves on. I hope you guys are having a good day, and please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And We'll get this fella in here. Then I'll get him watered in. But I think he'll be much happier here. They're a shade plant, really. And his leaves are just not liking any of that sun. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. There it is, planted in there with these limelight hydrangeas. Oh, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I hope you get in your garden soon.